Hello everyone. Today we are going to upgrade Windows XP to Windows Vista. Let's double click on VMware Workstation. And what we're going to do is, let's close this and close this. Click on the Windows XP Professional upgrade. So this is a clone that I created in another video, right? Where I created a clone of Windows XP Professional. So I'm going to use this as an example. So what we're going to do is we're going to power on the virtual machine. Give it a moment. And I'm going to type in the password that I created with the virtual machine. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into manage and then, no, excuse me, not manage, settings. And then we're going to go into CD, DVD, and we're going to pick up our ISO. And then what we're going to do is browse. I'm going to go into my secondary drive ISO and I'm going to click on Vista. I'm going to keep everything uniform. I'm going to keep everything 32-bit. So we're going to click on Windows Vista and we're going to click OK. And there you go. You can also click on Removable Disk where it says CD DVD, then click on Settings. It will just go back into the settings options as well for the virtual machine. So let me just click Cancel. Click on Install Now. Mind you, make sure to back up all your data just in case anything happens to your operating system. You never know what you might lose, right? That's one. Always update your operating system, but for this demonstration, I'm not going to update. I'm going to leave it as default. So what we're going to click is, do not get the latest update for the installation. Right? Leave it as it is. And give it a moment. We're going to click on Accept License Term. And click Next. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna click on Upgrade. Don't choose Custom. As it stated here, it's gonna store a clean copy of Windows. So in other words, it's gonna erase all your data. You know, this is why I usually say always have a backup just in case. You know, and then this as well allows you to make changes to your partition and your disk. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Upgrade. Okay, we're gonna click on Next. And this will take a few minutes. So at this point, I'm just going to mute myself and I'll be right back. So we're going to click on Ask Me Later. No, actually, let's do this. Use the recommended settings. This is correct. That's fine. We're going to click on Home and Start. So this is how you upgrade from Windows XP to Windows Vista. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.